Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Simplii Financial Canada. Review my no-fee digital banking experience. Simplii Financial is a no-fee digital banking service offered by CIBC, targeting Canadians who prefer online and mobile banking. It offers everyday banking services such as checking and savings accounts, high-interest savings accounts, no-fee credit cards, and mortgages. Key features include easy online account opening, mobile check deposit, and bill payments. Their website provides details on all their services and products. Simplii promotes itself as a convenient and cost-effective alternative to traditional banks, emphasizing its no-fee structure and accessible online platform. There are no monthly account fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no hidden fees. They compete with other digital banks and traditional banks offering similar online services. Simplii leverage CIBC's existing infrastructure while focusing on a simplified and user-friendly digital interface. You can check availability, which is Canada-wide, and learn more on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Simplii Financial. Getting started was remarkably easy. I opened a checking account online in about 15 minutes. The whole process was smooth and intuitive, requiring only basic personal information and identification. Navigating the website and app is a breeze. The interface is clean and uncluttered, making it simple to transfer money, pay bills, and view transaction history. I particularly like the mobile check deposit feature, which worked flawlessly. Just snap a photo and you're done. The performance has been consistently reliable. Transactions are processed quickly, and I've never experienced any downtime or technical glitches. I did have a quick question about international money transfers, and their support responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the no-fee aspect, which genuinely saves money compared to my previous bank. One minor drawback was the initial lack of in-person branch access, though they now offer access through CIBC branches for certain services. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Simplii Financial. It provides a simple, cost-effective, and reliable digital banking experience. That's my overview of Simplii Financial Canada. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.